Na hii imetoka kwa kini ya Mewaya.
Maumirira ma uthuthuria wa DNA uratafanagio niguo kuhithukia kana iritu iria mekorire mahaninenia mahatha thutha wao gucemania mweri-ini wa kana mwaka uyu, na riboti ino ni ikirite mukonde kuna ateania nyina umwe yaya gukorwo ni undumiriri iria njega muno family iritu yaiguite mwaka uyu, no kiria kigira rumirire family ici cieri kigie kana ni makurigicanura iritu aya nikio kirari na ciuria nyingi o nginyagia riria mucemanio utafanirio ni family ici cieri cigie murugamo wao. Airitu ya macemanirie mweri-ini wa kana mwaka uyu turi na niho thabari ya kuhithuria kihumo kiao yanjiririe, na kuringana na Sharon uria ni umwe wa airitu aya augite ni metikirite maumirira ma DNA kuria maugite ni moheire thibitari wa Kakamega kuria maciarirwo na gutiri undu ono mwe ugicenjia hari family ici cieri.
I come to Kakamega General Hospital. From the bottom of our heart, I want to say we have forgiven you, and you are not going to see you, and you are not going to ask for any compensation.
Kama Kakamega General, sisi tumewasamea kwa kile jambo lililotokea.
Family ici cieri cugite ikinya riri matacukite ni iritu muno, no matirenda undu ona umwe ungituma ciana ciao ciremwo ni guthii na mbere na mathomo mao, na riu ni maikitie ritana kuri andu a wendi mwega kumateithiriria guthomithia iritu aya.
Tumeamua turudi form 3 bali atutaendelea kwenda form 4.
Any well-wisher who would like to accommodate us in terms of education, we will be very grateful.
Na sina uwezo, lakini najua kila mmoja akisimama na hao watoto watasoma, tusaidiane na wao.
Na niguo kugiririria undu ta uyu gukahanika ringi, family ici ni cikitie ritana kuri thibitari ciothe guku bururi-ini cithingatithagie wigiririki.
Let this story of ours be a lesson to all the parents, because we don't know how many parents are living with children who are not theirs. So the only thing we have to do is for us to live in peace, love and harmony, and also for the hospitals to know what when they are doing their work they're supposed to be keen.
Ihinda-ini riri aciari a family ici cieri ni mathiite na mbere na kumatia ndugu gatagati-ini kao, na wairitu aya atatu aria ni Sharon na Melon magithii na mbere gukenerera muturire wao wa gukorwo mari mahatha, nake Melvis agithii na mbere na kuingirana na eri aya guku atatu aya magitanyo gucoka thukuru o kuria mundu arathomagira kiumia tukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.